What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, if you've been living under a rock today, XRP has been freaking moving, right? And I don't even think this is the major move that we're going to see. I think we're going to see markets start to really catch on to what's happening, and we're going to see markets actually start to get in more of a bull run. So, we saw, $1.25 trillion market cap. A lot of the movement that we've seen was in XRP itself and some other positions as well. But I wanted to talk about a specific thing that I told you was going to happen, and people said, no, it's not going to happen. No matter what happens there, it's not going to happen. And, I don't think we're going to see it move at all because of that. So I want to talk to you guys about XRP listing on Coinbase. And I freaking told you that this was going to happen. I said as soon as they won, as soon as it's confirmed that they did win, Coinbase will follow rules and follow suit, just like they've done in the past when they labeled them a security. So I wanted to talk about this, but before we get started, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon at PerryAK, you can follow me over there. And I have live streams that I did. I literally just finished a live stream that I feel like a lot of people are, not really getting exactly where I was coming from there. So this is why I'm kind of breaking this down here in more of an 8-minute video instead of going through an hour and a half live stream. So making it easy on you guys. You're welcome. But yeah, make sure you guys, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you always get updated when I am posting, a stream going live or posting videos, right? So, anyways, like I said, if you've been living under a rock today, or at least sleeping under a rock, XRP has been climbing, right? Pushing so much further. And the reason being is because XRP or Ripple won its case against the SEC, and XRP is not labeled as a security, which is huge, right? On so many different levels. One, it's huge because now you have XRP that, people can trade and believe in without any type of consequences or anything like that, right? Then you have an understanding of what is a security because you have case law, you have a defined case and information for the last 2 years that they've really been going over to classify or not classify XRP as a security. So it's really opening the door for, other positions to kind of fight back, other cryptocurrency exchanges to fight back. That daughter upstairs is kind of screaming. To fight back to say, hey, this is not a security and this is the reason why, because you saw what happened with Ripple. So it's huge for the entire crypto market, not just XRP, even though XRP and XLM are the only things that are really running a significant amount. Now, if you haven't noticed, let's look at it. Let's go ahead and check out where XRP is. It's currently at a level of 81 cents. It grew again in the last day by 72%. That is phenomenal growth. We're seeing $9.9 billion worth of volume, which is up 1,238% in the last 24 hours in volume. Phenomenal. Look at the volume to market cap ratio, 22% or almost 23% volume to market cap ratio. And you're looking at that $42 billion market cap. Again, another point that we want to make here is XRP has surpassed BNB as now the fourth by market cap overall, including stablecoins. So it's now in that level of third cryptocurrency overall, but third crypto or fourth cryptocurrency plus stablecoins overall. So it's in that next level of kind of trying to really compete for that second spot and first spot, even though it's still far away from actually competing there. We just understand that it's getting up to those levels to kind of fight for that level there. Now, another big point today is something that I said would happen as soon as XRP won, as soon as Ripple won, and XRP was labeled as not a security, right? You're going to see Coinbase relist them. Now, what did Coinbase do in the beginning? As XRP was labeled a security by the SEC and, lawsuit happened with Ripple, Coinbase wanted to follow the law, wanted to follow to make sure that they were obeying what the SEC wants them to obey, right? They were doing that. Now you're in a whole lawsuit, Coinbase selling unregistered securities and all of that stuff. But they've been fighting to kind of push anything that off the platform that's labeled a security by the SEC until they're proven innocent, right? Um, or proven not a security. Well, that did happen, and instantly, as you have that news, XRP is in the process as they have different tweets that come out that are talking about updates on XRP trading and how it's going to be available, the trading pair, and it did become live recently, as you see here 2 hours ago, breaking Coinbase to relist XRP, relist Ripple's XRP. And as we go into XRP here, we're seeing volume that's happening, movement that's happening within the markets. That means that trading is going on in XRP in Coinbase. So it's a big deal, right? It's a huge deal to see that volume happen. People that are transferring to Coinbase from KuCoin or Uphold or whatever because they see the availability in a platform that they know and love. And this is big news, and I don't think it has hit the entire world yet. Obviously, we have one half of the world that's awake and another half of the world that's sleeping. We have a lot of people that are heavily invested in the XRP that talk to me that said, hey, I have 210,000 XRP, or I have 400,000 or 500,000 XRP, and I'm like, wow, like you have a lot of XRP, you have a lot invested into this, and they've invested from 3 years ago, right? They see it at its lowest points. They invested at the lowest points. They believe in it at the lowest points, and they continued to average into the position to gain what they've gained. And now they are XRP. I would love to say XRP millionaires and can be XRP millionaires. So I'm excited with what happened with XRP. The fact that it's being relisted on Coinbase, and we're seeing that activity. And we're going to see major moves from here on. Right now, we're in more of a consolidation as we go into XRP here, and we look at trading view, get a full breakdown of trading view, and probably go into more of the 30-minute look. Maybe you're going to see consolidation, right? It went all the way up to 95 cents or 94 cents today, and then decreased down to about 90 or 74, where people could have found a level to invest, which they did. Got all the way back up to 87 cents before decreasing a little bit, creating more of this triangle here, and you're seeing it create lower highs until it fully consolidates. And we see that consolidation, which could lead to an overall bullish momentum, bullish market. So I'm excited again for XRP. I'm happy for everybody that has stayed with it. I currently have 1,788 XRP, which is not a boatload, but it is something. And it's given me gains, I'll tell you that. And the only thing I'm looking for is to triple that investment, as well as hold some for the long term of what XRP could be as the global cryptocurrency, global digital asset for all of us. So, guys, let me know what you think about XRP relisting on Coinbase. And if I was right, you can go ahead and tell me that I was right about it. There's a lot of people that said, no, it's not going to happen. We're going to see it labeled as security. So, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, I would just like to, get my flowers here. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.